Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited to share with you unbox review of this premium document file folder with handle in B4 size. If you are looking for something bigger than A4 and legal size, this is definitely worth your attention. Let's dive right in. First, the design. This folder is made of waterproof leatherite, which not only looks silk but also protect your important document from spill and moisture. Perfect for those of us who need to carry certificates or important papers around. Now let's talk about the size. The B4 dimension is a game changer. It's accommodated large document without folding or crumpling them, ensuring everything stay pristine. This single compartment is spacious enough for all your essential, whether it's certificates, reports, or even artwork. The handle is another fantastic feature. It makes transportation super convenient, whether you are heading to a meet or just organizing your home office. No more fumbling with bulky bags. Now I want to highlight the quality. The stitching is solid and the material feels durable. This is not just a one time use folder. It's built to last. Plus the professional look means it's perfect for any formal sitting. And if you are in the market for a reliable and stylish document folder that offer both functionality and elegant, this premium document file folder is B4 size is an excellent choice. I highly recommend it for anyone who value organization and professionalism. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, the initial link is in description box. You can check it out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow for more review on must-have products. So once again, thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and every like and comment share fuel my patience to create content and resonate with you. I truly appreciate the time you spend here. I know your time is valuable, and it's an honor that you choose to invest in it. My content, each video is crafting with care, aiming to inform and entertain, inspire you in some way. Till then, bye, take care guys.